Hi guys, welcome back to another video of me solving integrals, and today I have the integral of 1 over 1 plus x cubed dx. So let's get into the question. Remember our last video? Well, not last video, one of our previous videos where I did 1 plus x to the power of 4 on the denominator? Well, we're going to do something similar to that, but this one will be even easier. So, if you can recall, in that video, I let something to be I1, or the starting integral to be I1, and something else to be I2, right? So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to let I1 be equal to that integral, okay? And I'm going to let I2 be equal to the integral of x over 1 plus x cubed. Now, you guys might be wondering, why x? Well, because we can think that if we factor this, then the first term would be 1 plus x, correct? So if we add these two integrals up, then the numerator will perfectly have 1 plus x, right? And that's actually what we're going to do. I'm going to say I1 plus I2 is equal to the integral of 1 plus x over 1 plus x cubed. Right? And from here, we can factor the denominator into 1 plus x multiplied by, x squared minus 1 times x, which is x, plus 1 squared, which is 1. And then we have 1 plus x dx. Well, here's the beauty. This and that cancel. So this is equal to 1 over x squared minus x plus 1 dx. What do we do here? Well, let's complete the square. This is equal to the integral of the square that will be this is just x minus 1/2 squared. But it's not exactly this because the last term here is 1 over 4, right? But there's a 1 here. So it will just add 3 over 4. And on the top will just be 1 dx. And I will change this 3 over 4 into square root over 2. So we can use the inverse tangent formula equal to 1 over the a, which is this. So it's just the reciprocal of this. So 2 over square root of 3 inverse tangent of the x over a. That's 2 times x minus 1 over 2 over square root of 3. And if we open the brackets here, then it's equal to 2 over square root of 3 inverse tangent of 2x minus 1 over square root of 3 plus c. Now, is this the answer? No, because this is I1 plus I2. To figure out I1, we need to do I1 minus I2, which we will do next. Okay, so let's figure out I1 minus I2 now. Well, obviously, step number 1, all of you guys can do. Pretty easy. Nothing to cancel, right? No. We can't cancel with the first factor, so we can try to cancel with the second term. Let's try. It's equal to the integral of, the bottom is 1 plus x multiplied by x squared minus x plus 1. And the top is just 1 minus x. Right? Look, positive 1, negative x. Positive 1, negative x. So we're just missing an x squared here. Well, that's an easy fix. We can just add an x squared minus an x squared. Right? So we can split the integral like this and like that. Correct? So this is equal to the integral of this and that cancel. So it's obviously 1 over 1 plus x dx. And then minus x squared over. There's one little trick here. When we do this, I will change it back to 1 plus x cubed. And I'll tell you why. This, super simple and straightforward. And for this, well, why did I change it back to 1 plus x cubed? Well, it's because, if you noticed, let's take the derivative of the bottom. 3x squared. X squared. It just differs by constant, but that's okay. Just multiply by 3 and divide by 3, right? This is equal to ln of 1 plus x subtract with 1/3 times ln of 1 plus x cubed. And obviously, don't forget the plus c. Now, is this the answer? No. This is simply I1 minus I2. Let's try to get I1. So now, let's try to figure out I1. Add these two up and divide it by 2. So we know that I1 is equal to 1/2 multiplied by. Okay, now let's open the brackets. If you guys don't want to, you don't have to. But for completing this question, I'm going to unpack it. So I'm going to rewrite I1 as that, so it looks like a formal answer. So the integral of 1 over 1 plus x cubed dx is equal to that and that cancel. So it's 1 over square root of 3 inverse tangent of 2x minus 1 over square root of 3. And then add it with 1/2 times ln of 1 plus x. And then minus 1/6 ln of 1 plus x cubed plus the final c. Very big box. Very long answer. So this is the final answer of the integral of 1 over 1 plus x cubed. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed my video and you enjoy content like this, please consider liking and subscribing. If you want to master something, teach it.